Denice has got the top port seat up and just screwing it into the wall and through some supports. So this part will be the bench, and then down below will be for baskets and shoes.
Yep.
And then this wall, there you go.
And see, you can sit on it.
It holds 84 pounds.
Yeah, I wish.
All right, today is week 3, day 4, Thursday, and we stopped by Big Box Store to pick up the sink and faucet and wallpaper, and then swung by the house because Wayfair is supposed to be delivering the new closet doors. And then this is gonna be an easy day because we really need the contractors in here next week before we can do much more ourselves. But in the meantime, Aunt Denice is measuring studs for, I'm sure she's gonna tell us.
Well, first of all, this is the best stud I can find. I can't find this stud, so I have to use this.
You're on the wrong
Anyways,
dating app.
I am. Wrong dating app. Anyways, so got the bench all done. I have the molding all picked out. It's exactly what I'm gonna buy in order to finish it. And then what I'm doing is just marking these where the studs are at, because I'm gonna add a piece of wood in order to hang the hooks. And I need to make sure that I'm gonna hit studs. So I need to know where the studs are to determine the size that I'm gonna get. I'm not gonna run it all the way across. I think my look is probably gonna be from this point to that point to there. And then fill it up with maybe 2, 4, 8 hooks, maybe 6, something like that. And then I still haven't determined if I want to add a shelf. So
We'll see when it's...
yeah, I'll get it going, and then I'll see. Because I'm gonna have really busy wallpaper, and then I'll show everybody the wallpaper.
And Aunt Denice loves spending money on Derek's credit card, so...
I do.
All right, we'll check in tomorrow on Friday. All right, good morning, everyone. It's week 4, day 1, Monday, and I'm super excited because we got my buddy Colin here with Great Lakes Electrical, and he is going to do some work in here to get us worked up. So let Colin tell you what he does and then what kind of work he's going to do in this house.
So we do some residential, commercial, and industrial work. We do new builds, remodels. We get into all kinds of stuff.
Yeah.
So we get into anything you need.
Well, I'll tell you, I showed up late and he's already got a bunch of holes in the wall and lights lit, and so it's looking great. What kind of work are you going to be doing in here then?
We're getting into some new lighting upgrades.
Yeah.
Changing out some fans, adding fans, a couple circuits getting added, a little demo work on some baseboards.
Fixing some of the items that were in the inspection report.
Yep.
So the next home inspection, those will be crystal clear with gone. Everything will be fixed.
Yep.
All right, man. Well, I appreciate you coming out.
Yep.
So in the great room, there was absolutely zero lighting. So Colin is going to put 6 can lights in here and run a new line to it so that we can see in this room at night. It's looking good.
What you do with these, there's a box, you put the wires with the M94 in there, and then you just fob in there. Kind of a pain sometimes.
So get it in the box and then strip the wires.
Strip the wires, put the light on,
All right.
and it just goes right in.
I want to see the tool you use here when you get ready. It beats mine, but I don't do it every day.
Get the little wire strippers.
Oh yeah.
And you just take some off. Just like that.
That's a lot faster than the way I do it.
Every single one.
That's it. I'm going to buy that tool right there.
Just like that.
Super fast.
Yep.
And pop it in the Wago.
Pop it in the Wago just like that. 1, 2.
Matching colors though.
Yep.
Wait.
What are the 5 S's of wine drinking, Anthony?
You smell, you sip, you swish,
And then you what?
you swallow, and then you savor.